Hello and welcome to Online Q's, a YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can reactivate a deactivated Instagram account. First, I will show you how you can actually go about deactivating your Instagram account. You cannot do it from the app. You have to go to Instagram.com, and you can do this from your mobile phone or your laptop or computer. Just go to Instagram.com. And make sure that you're signed in to Instagram.com by using your username and password for your Instagram login. There's some people who use Facebook to sign in. Make sure that you're signed into Facebook on the web browser itself, and then you can use that to log in by clicking on that login as @ your username. So once you're logged in, click on this profile icon that you see on the bottom left corner of your screen, then click on edit profile, and then click on temporarily disable your account. So you have to select something and then enter in your password, and then temporarily disable your account. Now I will show you on Instagram itself that account doesn't exist anymore. I'm going to use another account. Give this account a follow if you can for designs. So this was my username, and you can see it doesn't exist, so that means my account has been deactivated. In the first portion of the video, I showed you how you can deactivate your account. Now deactivating your account takes time to process, so you might not be able to immediately log in before you reactivate your account. So think I guess you would have to think better if you seriously want to deactivate your account. For people who have deactivated your account for a long time and you want to reactivate your account, you have to watch this portion of the video, as this is quite crucial. So the first thing you would have to do is log in with your username and ID. Mine is kind of joined to my Facebook account, so all I need to do is continue as my appointed name on Instagram. So this will connect to Facebook, and it will kind of reconfigure my account that was deactivated previously so that I can start using it again. So I continue, and I guess there you see it's reactivated again. So that's all you need to do. The only thing that you need to do is log in with your your Instagram handle name and your password, or you can log in with your Facebook if it's joined to your Facebook account to reactivate your deactivated Instagram account. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.